guys, welcome back to the Birds Party channel, and today I'm so excited to share this llama themed birthday party with you. My daughter is currently obsessed with llamas, as many kids are, because it's such a trending theme. So for her 12th birthday party, I designed a llama themed printable party collection, which you can find at birdsparty.com, and I'll leave the link to everything that I used here, including recipes, in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out. And of course, the printable kit is my main inspiration for decorating the entire party. As you can see, there are so many DIY elements that are easy to recreate at home, and of course the printable collection also is an affordable way to decorate your party and to help celebrate your kids' birthdays at home without breaking the bank. So I'll show you some ideas, and hopefully they'll inspire you to get creative for your child's Llama Fiesta. And for this party, I really wanted a huge balloon arch to frame my desserts table. And once again, I've already showed you how to make balloon arches or garlands here on the channel, and I'll leave the link in the box below, so do check that out. But I made a huge arch in the colors of my party to match my printable designs and the designs of my table. And to complement that, I also added some beautiful paper flowers to the backdrop, as well as colored circles or little dots that I made with a paper puncher and some colored cardstock, and they kind of emulate the pom-poms from our llama printable designs. And I'll also leave the link to the DIY of the paper flowers down in the description box, which I posted on the blog earlier this week. And for the centerpiece of our desserts table is this gorgeous llama cake, which is actually a churros cake, and the recipe is also here on the channel, so I'll leave the link below for you. And I just used, really simply, some more printable llama decorations to decorate the two-tiered cake, some candy in the colors of our party, and these gorgeous papel picado mini flags from our friends at Mrs. Chic Parties, and I'll leave the link again in the description box for you so you can see where you can buy that. And I simply decorated the cake with some buttercream frosting on the outside and some colored candy. It's super easy to make, and it's a delicious cake, and it looks adorable, don't you think? And to finish it off, I just added a little pom-pom ribbon and some tassel ribbon to our cake stand to give it a little fiesta touch. Next up, one of my favorite DIY elements of this llama birthday party. How adorable are these llama popcorn boxes, you guys? They're really easy to make. I simply stuck some more colored papel picado little mini flags from Mrs. Chic Parties to the front of popcorn boxes, and then I added our cute little llamas to the front. They look like standing llamas on our desserts table, and they are mega adorable. Of course, I served popcorn, but you could also serve candy inside your boxes. And because no fiesta is complete in our house without churros, I wanted to serve some churro mini cups. I couldn't find any round churros, so in the end I used some cinnamon flavored donuts or donut holes, and on the bottom of each cup I added some dulce de leche, so the churros flavor was still there. And then I used printable buffet cards from our kit once again to label all the treats on our desserts table. And to decorate our mini treats, of course, we used some toppers in the shape of llamas, and we have different colors that you can use to help decorate your desserts table and all your treats and tie the whole thing together. And to finish things off, we served some cactus juice, which was in fact guava juice that I purchased in my local supermarket, and I just mixed that with some fresh lime juice for a nice zing. And you can serve that ice cold straight from a drinks dispenser. We can use little cups like we've done here, and to bake a grown-up version, just add a little bit of tequila, which makes a delicious big batch margarita for all the grown-up guests. And to decorate our straws, I used some matching ribbons. You can use ribbon scraps that you may have at home, and some more printable toppers with the cute little llamas matching each of the cups. So we have pinks, yellow, red and orange little llamas, and I think it looks so adorable, and once again helps to tie the theme together on our table with style and ease. And to finish things off, I just added some colored candy and candy dispensers and a super adorable personalized party sign, which we personalized with your child's name and age, which is also part of our printable kit. And just to finish the decorations off, some gorgeous flowers, and I mixed real and faux flowers for a budget-friendly version of a bouquet or arrangement. And on the front of the table, I finished it off with a honeycomb garland, and I added more of those colored circles to emulate the pom-poms from our llama designs. And not forgetting the kids table, I just used the same colors that I used throughout the party, and I made these round placemats from just cutting circular cardstock, and on top of each plate I added a favor bag full of trinkets and a super cute llama printable tag to the front of the bags that say "Llama say thanks for coming to my party." How adorable does that look? It's super easy and it helps to tie the whole thing together. And there you have it, our llama themed birthday fiesta. But of course you can use some of the ideas, some of the DIYs or recipes for a baby shower or for any other fiesta celebration you may be hosting at home. As you can see, the ideas are so easy to pull off, anyone can do it, and using our printable llama fiesta kit you can decorate your entire party with style and ease without breaking the bank. I hope you've enjoyed the ideas and feel inspired to recreate them at home for your llama fiesta. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and click that little bell button so you get notified every time we upload something here each week. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!